Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G17 Power, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, but it doesn't really matter. You can be on whichever mode you want to, because we need to open the settings and we will enter general section. So just tap on the settings in the right upper corner and now scroll all the way down. Here we've got restore defaults, so just tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and it basically means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.